they're really good for anything that you want to do.
Have you thought of other colleges before you applied?
I mean, I looked into UMass Amherst's music program, but it just wasn't for me at all. Yeah, they were too classical, so I picked Berkeley.
What do you mean too classical?
I mean that they tried to make you learn just a bunch of songs in other languages and not let you pick what you wanted.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Deeper and deeper now. That's right. Just let yourself go. No.
Don't even remember the name of it.
2, 1.
A theater piece.
Oh, cool.
But
sleep.
That would be impressive.
It would
but
be impressive, though,
no.
right?
Yeah. Why not relax, right?
Okay. So what about the doing hypnosis? I would just like to have your feet. Well, can you reach the floor?
Kind of. I'm pretty
All
short.
right.
I guess they kind of can there. All right. I'm pretty short.
Okay, so relax. What about the doing
Okay.
hypnosis? I'm not going to do anything to harm you or hurt you in any ways. In return, I would like your cooperation. Is that okay?
Yes, that is okay.
Okay, so take a deep breath in. I would like you to just focus on the spinning motion of this watch. I'm going to count backwards from 5 to 1. When I reach number 1, I would like you to just close your eyes.
Okay.
And let your mind drift. As soon as you close your eyes, you're going to feel a wave of relaxation washing over you. You'll find that your arms are relaxed. Your body is relaxed. And even your hair on your nose and your eyebrows are totally relaxed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Just relax. Let go. And sleep. I'm going to count backwards from 5 to 1 again. With each number I count, you find your body relaxing even more. With each number I count, you find your legs becoming 10 times as heavy, your arms feeling 10 times as heavy. You feel like your mind is totally relaxed. You can just drift all the way out into hypnosis. 5, 4, relaxing even deeper now. 3, 2, 1. Sleep. Just relax. Let go. Just let go. And sleep. Feeling so good. So calm. So wonderful. I'm going to count backwards again from 5 to 1. With each number I count, you will sleep even deeper. More relaxed. It is as if you are on a calm, quiet sunny beach, and you can hear the sound of the ocean waves caresses against the shore. You can hear the sound of seagulls on top of your head. You can hear the sound of children playing in the background. Sandra, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. When you reach number 3, I will let you to open your eyes. You will talk and act as if you are not hypnotized, but your mind is still deeply relaxed, and you unconsciously know that you're still hypnotized. Whenever I say the word sleep, you'll find your eyes rolling all the way to the top of your head. Your eyelid is becoming very heavy, and you're going to go back into hypnosis. Each time you go back into hypnosis, you'll sleep 10 times as deep, 10 times as relaxed before, feeling 10 times as good. 1, 2, 3 eyes open. So, what is your favorite restaurant in the Berkeley area?
There's one place on Newbury Street, a little Italian shop that my mom and I've tried that I loved.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I don't even remember.
No.
Don't even remember the name of it.
Deeper and deeper. More and more relaxed. 10 times as deep. 1, 2, 3 eyes open. So, when did you go to Berkeley? Was it last year?
Well, I first visited Berkeley 2 years ago, which was when I had my audition. Almost 2 years ago now, but that was when I had my audition.
How did it go? What was the song that you sang?
I sang Gimme Gimme, a theater piece.
Oh, cool.
But
sleep. Deeper and deeper down. More and more relaxed. Just let yourself go. And sleep. Now, I'm going to count from 1 to 3 again. When I reach number 3, you can open your eyes and you'll still be fully energized and talking as if you're wide awake. But anytime you see the pocket watch in front of your eyes, you're going to stop everything. You'll find your mind freezing over, and you just stare at the pocket watch for 2 seconds, and then you're going to close your eyes and drift back into hypnosis. 1, 2, 3 eyes open wide awake. So give me, right? Is that the song you sang?
yeah, it's from Thoroughly Modern Millie.
Oh wow, that's cool. So what makes you pick that song?
Well, my voice teacher told me it would work really well with my voice, so I figured, why not?
Could you sing in French?
No. That would be impressive.
That would be impressive, though,
no.
right?
Yeah.
Just let go and sleep. Deeper and deeper now. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 3. When I reach number 3, you're going to open your eyes. You're going to feel great. As soon as you open your eyes, you're going to start talking, just like you're not hypnotized, just like you're wide awake. But you'll find the sleepy sensation starting to wash over you. With each word that you say, you'll find yourself feeling sleepier and sleepier and sleepier. At about 30 seconds after you open your eyes, you'll find the sleepy sensation just wash over you. And after 30 seconds, you'll find yourself closing your eyes and drifting back into hypnosis. 1, 2, 3 eyes open. So how much French do you know these days? If somebody were to ask you.
I wouldn't really know any of it at all.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I mean, possibly identify the tone, but not really know that much.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Could you be able to order a cheese or something?
Probably not. Maybe in Spanish, because that's what I did in high school, but...
Is it pretty much about the same, the two languages? Do you find them?
A bit.
Do you find it easier to learn Spanish?
Yeah.
When you know French?
Yeah.
Let's let go and sleep. Deeper and deeper down. More and more relaxed. When I'm going to count, I'm going to count 1 to 3 again. When I reach number 3, you're going to open your eyes and feel like as if you're wide awake. Each time I show you the pocket watch, you'll find yourself irresistibly drawn to the pocket watch. And this time when I show you the pocket watch, you're going to go back into hypnosis again. But you're going to try to resist this sleepy sensation. You try as hard as you can not to close your eyes. You try as hard as you can not to go back into hypnosis. But about 10 or 15 seconds after I show you the pocket watch, you'll find this sleepy sensation just too much to bear, and going to fall back 10 times deeper into hypnosis. 1, 2, 3, eyes open, feeling great. So what makes you pick Berkeley over the other colleges? I'm sure there are other colleges that you can.
Yeah, I mean, there's...
Have you ever heard of Lummi?
I don't know if I have. I know it's just Berkeley definitely has more contemporary. They're not just jazz like a lot of people will assume, but they're really good for anything that you want to do.
Have you thought of other colleges before you applied?
I mean, I looked into UMass Amherst's music program, but it just wasn't for me at all. Yeah, they were too classical, so I picked Berkeley.
What do you mean too classical?
I mean that they tried to make you learn just a bunch of songs in other languages and not let you pick what you wanted.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.